and this is the first screen. We used iPhone. We used iPhone and iPhone SE. Open it, and we have our layout grid here. The count of the grid is the columns. The count of the columns is 6. We have our margin to be 24 and our gutter to be 16. So we use the typography we use was Monster. I think we have this thing. Just created the typeface for this, and then we decided the pixel to use for the header, the text, and the like. So we have the first screen to be the welcoming screen. And okay, so the content is the mail is a modern unisex fashion brand that blends elegance, simplicity, and versatility to create timeless pieces. So then the user presses next, and then it moves to this shows that this is the first page of the onboarding screen, and the other shows that the user still have 2 more screens left to complete the onboarding screens. So the second screen, the second screen we have this image, and the other is the fashion ethics dedicated to using eco-friendly fabrics and practicing ethical production methods. So this shows that the user is on the second screen of the onboarding screen, while this shows that a screen is behind and a screen left to complete the onboarding screen. So the user presses next, and then to the third screen where we have the headers, feel comfort and good. And this shows that this is the last page for the onboarding screen, and this shows that the user has already viewed the 2 previous screen, and then the user presses get started to show the UI of the whole app. And I don't know if there's anything Ms. Jacinta wants me to talk about.
Okay, we are done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what margin did you say you used for this particular onboarding?
All right. I think we use 24. This is not 24.
The first screen, go to the first screen, let me see.
Okay, ma'am.
Check the margin of this.
It's 24, ma'am.
Okay. Can you put off the visibility of this margin?
Okay.
That's
Yes, ma'am.
so this text that is on, is it this rectangle stuff that you did, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Play it. Can you play it?
Okay.
And secondly, when you guys were doing did you guys do deep research on how onboarding screens look like? What's the how what does onboarding screen entail? Did you guys do your research?
Yes, ma'am. I think we
Okay, yeah, this was the one that you people use as a
Yes,
reference.
yes, ma'am.
Zoom into this one.
I think so.
Why is the text blurring? Or is it my network?
No, I think probably because I'm not sure. Probably because we pasted it on the board, but it was very visible on our phones or on the group where we sent it to.
Okay, but can you see that this particular one, the background is making the text be more pronounced than what you guys did?
Okay,
Let's let's go to your play, the play version.
this is
This description text is not so visible for me. For someone that is visually impaired or something, is going to find it very difficult to read this sub description you guys used here.
okay.
And even this circle, this your progression like is moving from 1 to 3. The other tools are not visible. That is just hidden in the background there. So um you guys didn't follow the principles in design. You guys were copying a design and you didn't follow hierarchy, you didn't follow colors and how to distinguish between two different colors. And
Mhm.
so you can see this next one. Go to the next one. You can see this next one too. It's going to be difficult to read this dedicated to using eco-friendly fabrics. This sub description is not visible at all. At all. It's
Okay,
not
ma'am.
visible. So it still boils down to the question of using your phone to check what you are designing. And it
Okay.
seems you guys didn't use your phone. Okay. So that's all.
All right, sir.
And what's the background color for this onboarding screen now? Because I'm seeing your button to be ash or what? What's your background color?
The initial brown color is blue, but
So why
that was only shown in the display screen.
it was already shown in?
No, it wasn't part of the onboarding screen.
So you guys just threw away your background color. Then when they now enter the app, you will now pick it up again. All right. Then this onboarding screen is not intuitive. There is no skip button. So you are indirectly telling user that they must go through this onboarding. So what if they see that they don't want to go through it, they just want to go straight to the app? That means there's no place for them to skip and move on. All right. The next group, let's have you.
All right, sir.
Thank you very much, Gopal. So
Ma'am, can group 11 present now?
all right, let's have you.
Okay. I'll start with the second assignment, the onboarding,
Okay.
because yes, someone is going to take the first one, but I'm going to start with the second assignment, which is the onboarding screens. So I'm going to share my screen. Please, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sokari Princess Tamnomiete. I'm representing Group 11. So for our project, we created an onboarding screen for a food brand called Hunger Hub, and it's a food delivery brand where we deliver food to users, and we also did a little bit of prototype. Did this splash here. We did a splash screen effect. Um, for the brand colors are nude and orange. So let me play the prototype so we can see how it works before I start with my presentation proper. So when you click on the next, it takes you to this enjoy tasty meals, where we talk about how the food are being served or delivered are nice, and fast delivery. The brand offers fast delivery to customers, and how the and safe. So the way we created this prototype, if you click on the skip button, it takes you to the order now, where if you click to take you to where you see the options of the various kinds of foods that we have to sell. And this button takes you back to the original page, which is Onga Hub. So Onga Hub is a food delivery brand where we deliver food, just like fast foods like Chowdeck and the likes. It's all about foods to users nearby. So for this, we used iPhone 16. That's the screen we used, and we used auto layout to create this little buttons here, these circles here. We use auto layout to show that we have moved to the next screen. So for the first screen, we see that this place is orange, while the second screen, we see it has moved to the second button, which is orange, and that was how we did it for all of them. And for the layouts, we used, excuse me, we used column 5. We used 5 columns, and we used 24. The margin is 24, and we chose this color because it is calm and it represents, excuse me, we chose this color because it is calm and a very it represents a very friendly kind of app, and we chose a very simple design to avoid confusion for our users. So to avoid confusion from our users, so we used just 3 colors. No, we used just 2 colors, which are nude and orange. We avoided doing too much um, to avoid the users getting overwhelmed by our design.
You are done.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Um. First off, this is a very, I don't know. I need to give you guys thumbs up for this beautiful design. You guys did amazingly wonderful. I mean, this is beautiful. This first screen, that splash screen. How did you guys do it? How
Okay,
did you
so
guys
Ma, for
get
the
that?
okay, so Ma, for the splash screen, what we did was we created circles of different orange colors, and after creating it, we added this text on it like this. We added this text on it like this. Sorry, like this, and then we sent it to the back. And afterwards, we added the food image. We blurred the image. We reduced the opacity to 10, so it would not clash with the brand name. That was why we had to use a black color, so it would bring out the beauty of the image we used and the text.
Okay. So okay, that's very that's very creative. So on this your first onboarding, why are you still putting the name of your brand? Because the essence of onboarding is to introduce the features of the app, and then I'm still saying the name of the brand. Why is it still on that page? Or is hunger up a name of a feature? So what particular feature are you trying to sell in this first onboarding? I think, and that should be my question. What's the first thing you're trying to sell? As in, what's the purpose of creating this first screen? What are you trying to sell here? Did you get my question? Anybody from group 11 can answer. No, that's not my question. I know you guys created your own brand name.
Please, can you repeat the question?
I'm saying on this very first onboarding screen, what feature, what are you guys trying to sell? Or what are you trying to market to the users? Because the essence of onboarding is to kind of list out your features or what the users stand to benefit from using this app. That's the essence of onboarding. So on
Okay,
first,
Ma, on this first screen, I think we're just trying to
you are thinking,
Can I go on? No, I think we are just trying to display. No, we were displaying what our brand is all about, because it's pictures of food, different food that we put there. Since our brand is about food.
okay,
Hello, ma. Sorry, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm in group 11. For the first feature and the name of, aside other features, that we know of when creating an onboarding screen, but we decided to do something a little bit different by putting our name so that as you come into the site, the first thing you get to see and being registered in your head is the name of the the company. So that's why we decided to put the Hunger Hub so that you
Okay,
can.
yeah, I get that. But you know that on your splash screen, the name is already there. This very first splash screen, yeah, I'm already seeing the hunger hub. The name is already boldly on the splash screen, and they are repeating the same hunger up on your first onboarding screen. And you know that people people are more don't know how to put it. They're going to tend to remember you more when you are beneficial to them. Like when you're actually solving their problem, or when they see that this product is a good product for it to solve my issue, and not the name. People don't really care about your brand name. is that is this product solving my problem? That is just their own issue. And then if you are bent on marketing your name as again marketing the problem they are trying to solve, or the benefit that they tend to get from using your product, I don't think you grab the attention of users in your app. But I get the whole, and again, I understand that you guys are trying to be a little bit creative, which is amazing. But remember, I also talk about consistency. So your second screen and your third screen and your, can you slide to the right a little bit? Yes, so the rest of the screens, they are all following the same center alignment. Then your first screen is now completely different. There is not a problem. The only problem I have is just the name appearing again. Just the name appearing again. But apart from that, I think, and this black line below, what's the thought process around it?
Okay, ma, the black line represents the phone, like the mobile device we're using. That's the I'm trying to remember the name, but it's part of the mobile device we use. So when prototyping, you'd see it as part of the mobile, just like iPhones. When you're working on a particular screen, you would see a white line or a black line, depends on how you set your screen. So that's how it is here. It's part of the screen. It's not a design.
Okay. Where do you guys get your illustrations from?
I got it from free. We got it from Free Pick.
Okay, that's amazing.
Thank
You
you.
guys did an excellent job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So is group 11 done?
No, ma, we're not done. So the second person is going to take the recreation of the landing page.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, let's go.
Pressure.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
My name is Precious Daniel. I'll be presenting for the recreation of the mobile frame design. I believe everyone can hear me. Please, Franca, please share your screen.
She's already sharing her screen. Please let's try to be fast a little bit. Just go on.
So we use the iPhone 16. Why am I not seeing it? I'm not seeing her screen, or I'm just seeing the picture. I'm just seeing only one side. Okay, sorry, we use iPhone 14. So iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we were just trying to do according as the assignment entails. And
Okay,
I must
sorry.
say, product design.
Is yeah. Can you zoom into that modern furniture? That text. Can you click on it? Who is presenting?
Precious is presenting.
Okay. Can you no
I'm the one
not
presenting.
at the hero section side? Yes,
Okay.
click on that modern furniture. Click on the text. What's the size of the text? 16.
16, ma.
Scroll down, scroll down. Just scroll down. You don't need to really explain this. I just want to see what you guys have done. Zoom out a little bit. Why is it shop now? Why is it at that end? Why is it at the end? Is the network hanging?
No, ma, my network is not hanging.
So why is this down part? Why is it like this? Why is the heading and the sub description and the button, why is it so far apart? I mentioned about proximity in our design.
Yeah.
And this text, that picture
Yes,
by
you
the
did,
left
ma.
side is not supposed to be there. Okay. I think the assignment I was thinking was going to be easy. It's not even an easy one. Okay, good. Group 11. I've seen your work. Group 6. Let's have it, please. Well done, group 11. I'll start with the onboarding. Group 6. If you're not ready, let me call another group. Group 3.
Okay, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good
This
evening. What are you in?
group three.
Okay, please go on.
Okay, the thing is that during presentation of group 11, my system went down, but I'm going to project it from my phone, if that's fine.
Are you the only one in your group?
Okay, I contacted two of them and they said the same thing.
So how do you want to show it from your phone?
With Figma app.
No. I want to see some. Um, so group 3, maybe I don't know. Which other group is ready? Group 8. Okay, let's have you group 8.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
I'm sorry, please. I'm trying to share my screen.
Okay.
Are you seeing my screen now?
It's coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. Okay. I'll be starting with the mobile app
Okay.
for the woody furniture.
All right.
Okay. So this is the first screen for our mobile app here. So for a new user, if a new user wants to log into our mobile app, this is going to be the first thing that is going to show up on the screen. If the person did not have any accounts with us, they can just click on the register here. And if they already have an account with us, all
So
they have
can
to
you zoom
do.
into where you're presenting?
What do you say, ma?
Can you zoom in? Zoom into where you're talking
Oh,
about.
I should zoom. Okay, I'm coming. Is it okay like this? Oh,
Zoom into that screen.
I'm trying to zoom in, but I don't know what to do with my system.
Okay, just continue.
Should I make use of prototype, ma?
Yeah, you can.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Please give me some minutes. Okay. Are you seeing it now, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our first screen of our mobile app here. So in case the person that is logging in already have an account with us, all they have to do is just to click on the sign in and sign into their account.
Sorry. What was the question you are trying to answer with this particular page?
You said you should replicate a desktop site, and we should do a mobile app for the desktop site. So this is the mobile app for that desktop site.
Okay, continue.
Okay, so after logging in, this is going to bring this was to be the interface for the user. So we have many categories which we derive from our desktop site. The category of dining, chair, bed, kitchen, and shelves. And these are the price for the each of the items. If the person click on such item, it's going to bring them here, telling them about the product details. And if the person wanted to add it to their shopping cart, they can add it. In this case, we make an example of putting two items into a shopping cart. And all they have to do is to proceed to the next phrase, which is how they are going to make payments for what they are buying. And this is an app for the showing how the payment is going to be done. Maybe they are going to make use of MasterCard or Visa or PayPal to pay for the items, and this is for their checkout. So that's all for the mobile app for the desktop site.
Okay. How many of you people are in group? They are in group 8, Abby.
Yes.
So how many of, like, what's the question? How many of you guys are in group 8? So
We are 9.
so the 9 of you. So you guys want to tell me that 9 of you didn't get the question, the didn't get the assignment.
Yes.
Because the assignment was create a responsive mobile design of the web page that we did in class, and not a mobile. I'm going to give you guys. You guys did.
We
For you
did
guys, for
we
you guys
did
to even
the,
be able to
this is
come
our I'm sorry, ma. What do you say, ma?
for you guys to be able to even come out with an app, to even think of an app is also creative, but you guys are not answering. We're not answering the question.
Okay. I thought the question was to replicate a um a desktop site, and we should also do a mobile app for it.
No, that was not the question. The question was to create a responsive mobile design.
Okay. Yeah,
So
sorry
see,
about that, ma.
didn't answer the question. Let's go to the onboarding screen.
Okay, ma. Okay, this is our body screen here. So we are making use of a fitness company.
Okay.
But this is our second page. This is our third one. This is our fourth page. And this is our fifth page now. So if we are having a customer for our fitness company, on getting here, they have to get started to for them to be able to access the remaining of the page. And this is the first page for it, which is define your path to success. In this somebody page, we are trying to let them know what we are going to offer them if they are coming for our company. And this we make use of skip here in case, because some people might find it some people might not find it attractive or anything, so we put skip here. But in case any of them press skip, it's going to take them down to the last page here. And if they should click on the get started now, then it's going to take them to our own page on the app now. So that's all.
So on this last page, what's the text in there? Or there's no text here.
Yes, there should be, but I don't know why it's not appearing here.
Okay, disappeared.
I'm coming. Let
Uh,
me show it to you here on our
no,
figure.
it's okay. It's okay. Go to the very first one, the splash screen.
Okay. This one.
I think
Ma,
I'm
are
yet.
you there?
No, it's not reflecting yet. I think maybe
What is
it's
it?
not. Hold on a bit.
Okay. No.
It's not reflecting yet. So it's not reflecting yet.
It's not.
I want to see that splash screen, the very
How
first
about
one.
now?
No.
Oh, I'm showing on your screen.
Okay, it's showing. So you can see this text, transform your fitness journey. Is that
Yes.
text really very readable on this background?
What is it, ma?
This transform your
Your
fitness journey.
fitness journey. Okay.
Is that text very readable on that background?
Not really, ma.
But you guys use this. Even this your button, this get started. Did you check the what's that website again? The to check if a background and the text fits. Did you guys check it on this button?
No, ma. We didn't.
Go to your website. Let's do this. Go to your Chrome.
My what?
Your Chrome, your browser.
Okay. I'm there, ma.
So go to color contrast checker.
Color what?
Contrast checker. Check type color contrast checker.
I'm there, ma.
Mm. You've clicked on enter. Okay. Yeah, click on that first one. You have clicked on the first one.
Yes, I've clicked on the first one.
So go and get that yellow background button code from your Figma. Get the color code for it.
Okay. For the button, right?
Yeah, for the button.
I've copied it.
Paste it on the background color side.
Okay.
And on the text color, put white. FFFF.
I've done that too.
It's showing very good.
Wait. Very poor.
White, not black. FFFF.
Yes, I put on FFFF.
So what's it showing?
Very poor.
Okay. So I think we are done with you guys. What's the next group? Thank you, group 8. Which group is ready? What group is ready? Group 7, let's have you.
Sorry, I think group 2 wanted to present first because I think their battery was on go off.
Yeah, now group 2, let's have you. Who is available? You guys should start presenting. Okay, group 7, let's have you.
Okay. Hi, good evening.
Can anyone hear me?
What group are you in?
Group 2.
Okay, go on.
Okay, so this is the last assignment. We did
Yes.
education app onboarding. Can you hear me?
Can hear you, but we are yet to see your screen. Are you presenting?
Yes, I'm presenting now. I'm presenting. Let me...
And the background noise, your background noise is quite a lot. Not go to where is it's better.
Okay, I think it's network. I'm going to.
The background noise is a lot, and someone else in the group 2 presenting.
What will you work for now?
I'm trying to pronounce his name. I don't want to mispronounce it. But for group 2, if someone else can present for her, or we can have another group. Or maybe you can present, then someone else from your group will talk, will explain what you guys did.
Can you guys see my screen now?
I'm saying that your background noise is a lot. Let someone else present for you. Can someone else in group 2 present, explain what you guys have done? Are you the only one in group 2? Mohammed.
Yes, they are not all available right now. So I'm the only one available. I even think I won't be available in the next 10 minutes. So
Oh, yeah, just go on. Let's manage. Let's manage. Let's see if you can manage.
please, what can be seen?
Your splash or your first onboarding screen.
Okay, can you guys see the ULEN screen?
You learn.
Yes.
We are seeing your screen initially.
When I asked, I thought you guys were not saying it. Okay, see you guys can see the family. Let me just join this one
Yes.
first. So that will be okay. Okay, so we did an app for e-learning, which is ULearn. So if I click on next, it's going to take me to this place. Next. And it's going to get to this last place. Trying to go back. So if I click on skip, it's going to lead me to the last screen, which is where you are going to get started if you want to sign up or not.
But you can also see that when you were trying to go back, you couldn't go back.
Yes, I didn't set it go back. Everything I did was actually in the
So
because
if users want to go back, you cannot also go back.
Ma,
So if users want to go back, they can't also go back.
they can go back. That will be implemented, but this was what we could do first.
Where would they press if they want to go back?
Where would I place if I want to go back?
Where would the users click on if they want to go back?
Said I did not put that one, like we did not put that, but we are going to. We just implemented it yesterday, so we kind of forgot to put some things.
Okay, let me see your mobile design.
So this is a new design.
I've gotten this. Show me your mobile, the responsive design part.
Okay, please. Yeah. No, this time. So I'm trying to click on
Because design is not
web
here.
design.
Who is in next group? Group what wanted to go next? Was it group 7? Please, group 7 getting ready.
Hi, good evening.
Mary, please can you mute your mic? Mohammed, what's going on?
I'm trying to go to my web design, but it's hanging. I don't know why it's hanging. Why it's not going.
Okay, that's fine. You can stop presenting. Group 7, please, let's have you. Or which group is ready?
Good evening, ma. I'm in group 7.
Okay, please
I'm in
go
group
on.
2. They're still presenting because I can't share my screen.
Please stop presenting. Group 2. You can override her.
Okay. I'll share my screen now.
All right.
Okay, let me know if you can see my screen.
You can see it now.
Okay. So I'll start with the first assignment, which was the responsive design. Okay, first of all, this was the first design that we created in class. So
Just move to the mobile site. Let me see.
okay, for us to make it responsive, we kind of used auto layout to create everything. So we used auto layout on the desktop. So when we duplicate it, it's going to reflect on the mobile version of it. So only what we did was we just reduce the size of.
Layout grid.
Okay.
Mobile.
So this is
it.
Yeah, so we just reduce the size of the pictures and the text in order to fit in properly.
Zoom into the mobile.
Okay.
Click on this description text. Let me see.
Where?
That second title.
The second title.
The description.
This is it.
Okay, scroll down.
Just keep going.
Gradually. Okay. So stop. Click on this bed. On the bed. Like on the text bed.
Okay. This text.
You can see it's 12. It's
yes.
Below you can go. And I mentioned us making buttons not to be so close to each other so that users can easily click on each of them without mistake. So keep going up. Your save is not aligning properly.
It's the same height.
The same height of. I said your save button.
The save button here.
It's not aligning properly. So wherever it's supposed to be, it's just flying somewhere around. So keep going up. Keep going down.
That's it.
All right, let's see your onboarding.
Okay. Okay, this is the onboarding screen.
Okay.
So basically we didn't really go deep into research, but we just kind of wanted to practice what was done in class. So we just came up with something very simple to do in order to apply everything that we'll be learning. So this is actually what we came up with, and we're able to prototype it. Did I do the prototype?
Yeah, please, let's see. Please, what group is going next? Can you type it on the comment section? The group that is ready now.
Okay, so this is a prototype.
What group is going next, please?
Okay, this is a prototype. Let me zoom in fully. Okay, so when you click on the next button, it goes over to the next. Skip takes you back to. Sorry, I just have to restart this because sorry. Goes next to the other screen. To the other screen, then get started. Oh, I forgot to prototype. We forgot to prototype this, but you can actually go back to the previous screens that you have. So that's just what we did for the onboarding screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I thought group 8 have present. What group is this one now? Group
This
7.
group 7.
I thought group 8 has presented. So which group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 9, group 8? No, group 9, group 10. You guys are
No
not
problem.
here. These groups are not present today. Group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 9, group 8, group 10. Are you the only one in your group? Group 5. Is it just group 5 that is in your? Is it just group 5? Is there only one person that is in group 5? You should know your group members now. Mary.
Sorry, ma, they are not. I don't think most of them are around. The group leader is complaining that his laptop went off with his phone. That is Ella. Said his phone is her phone is very low, so and her laptop, so she was locked out. But I don't know if others are here. But it was I and Ella that was in the class before.
So what about group 3? Group 3, group 4, group 6, group 10. Laptop is dead. Wow. So everybody's laptop is dead. And I thought you guys used to be like 9 or 8 in one group. So 8 of you guys' laptop are dead. So group 5 and group 4. What about group 4, group 6? Group 9 is here. Who is presenting for group 9? It seems this group presentation is stressing. It seems this is going to be the first and last. Group 9, let's have you. Trauma. I thought you said group 9 is there. Mhm. Okay, light issues.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, so hello everybody, good evening. We were group 9 and sorry, sorry. Okay, so first of all, this is the landing page we did. This is the landing page we did. Cause we didn't want to add this shop contact and FAQ, yes, to our design.
Sorry,
So
can you zoom into your mobile screen?
I don't know what's happening to my laptop.
Okay, it's hanging.
Yeah, okay, I'm moving now. Am I seeing it?
Not yet, but let's just see.
Okay, it's moving here already. I
Oh, it's
zoomed.
getting reflect. Just continue what you're saying.
Icon. Okay, so we did a little change of it by making this on the web desktop this thing into this menu bar where everything when you press it, it will show you those things. Then also when we thought of this, we could not add for a mobile version of an app. First thing you see is mostly the hero section, and which is this our modern feature furniture for minimalist lovers. So first of all, we wanted to first of all tell you what we are bringing to the users. Then we show them the picture of it, and this is most of what we did, trying to show the users more about modern furniture and this thing. And our margin was 16, our quarter 16, then our um column was 8 for it to be. I made okay, so our gutter is 24. We made them in a divisible of 4. That anything you're doing, we are least able to divide by 4 or 2 in case you want to do some structuring. And also our text, this first one, the uh,
So you see that you have zooming. You
ma
zoom into the mobile screen.
yes, I've zoomed it in the mobile screen. I'm seeing my own here.
Okay.
Are you seeing it?
Not
Because
yet.
my own is very big here. I know what's happening.
Can
Um,
you play it? Let me see. Try and play. Let me see if it's going to play.
okay. Um, okay. See, this is what we're showing. This is what is on our screen. Are you seeing it?
No, no, no. Maybe you have to stop sharing and share again.
Okay. Hmm.
You're on the play section.
Yes, I've moved from okay. Let me.
Are you seeing the play section now?
No, not yet.
Very happy. And feeling it already. Am I seeing my screen?
I'm seeing your screen, but I'm not seeing.
The play section. I don't
Yeah,
know
I'm
what
not. I mean, it's not zoomed. It's not zoomed in into.
my I think my I don't know. But I'm showing if I'm seeing the this number presenting here. So, so I don't know what is happening. I've stopped sharing and started sharing again.
Yeah. Um, what I'm going to do.
So let me ask if somebody else can do the sharing. I don't. Ah, let me stop sharing and share again. Sorry. Okay. Mm. Sorry, please. Praise want to share. I will present. Sorry.
Who's sharing? Who is sharing?
Praise is sharing.
All right, please. Are you ready to share?
Okay, ma. I am, but please, it might take a little while. I want to connect with my laptop. I was using my phone, so I don't know if I can, if the time can be permitted, like that time allocation, or whether another group can present, then we come back and present. I'm trying to connect to my laptop, please.
Okay.
Thank you,
So,
ma.
is group six here? Daniel, Gloria, are you in group six?
Yes, ma. I'm in group 6. I think the person that's supposed to present for us, I think our laptop is dead or something. Because I don't have the link to our Figma this thing.
You don't have the link.
Yeah,
And yeah,
I can't access our assignment right now because one, I'm not even with my laptop. So I don't know. So I think her laptop died, I think. Went off.
mm,
Okay, let me just try and check if I call her back.
So group 9 is not yet ready yet. Person that wanted to present.
Now, please, it's still loading, please. I'm still on it.
What about group 10? I've not heard from group 10. There's nobody here that is in group 10. Group 10 members. The rest of the group that presented their work, please tag me to it so that I can, during my spare time, I can give a more detailed feedback to you guys. But I hope everybody in the group is on that Figma board. So when I'm giving my feedback, everybody's getting um the feedback. So if like you are in a team and then you guys have a Figma file, everybody should be added to the Figma file. Then before I can be before you guys can now call me in for the groups that presented today. That's group 1, group 2, group 7, group 8, group 9, group 11. So I have like 5 groups. No, group 9 is still pending. So I have group 1, group 2, group 7, group 8, group 11. So you guys should just tag me to your work. Then I can come in and give a more detailed feedback. So you know how it is with me. Once you pass, like after today, I don't want to see anybody else. I don't want to see other group tagging me to their group, to their assignment, but I'm not going to respond to you. It's past. The deadline was today. I gave you guys 2 weeks. The deadline was today. So just this group that presented, please just tag me to your design so that I can come in and give a more detailed feedback. So someone is presenting now.
I still me. I'm trying to see if it's still going to work. But it's still doing the same thing. I'm following. I don't know what happened to our own PC too.
Okay, can I even see your onboarding?
Okay.
Let's see the onboarding.
Can you see it? It's still an ongoing
That one
process.
just beside it.
Yes, I'm coming.
It's still not showing me.
It's still not zooming in. I'm zooming it from my own side here. It's going, but I don't know what's happening to it. So.
And even when you play it, it's not showing too.
No, when I play it from my own side, it's showing. But I don't know why it's not showing on the class.
All right, so I think what we can do to solve that particular, just tag me to it. But
Okay.
everybody in your group is on the Figma board, right?
Yes.
Okay. So just tag me because you keep on waiting in my notes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Um, Nancy, you raised your hand. I want to say something.
Um, Hello, good evening. Sorry, I complained about group 3 not having power. So I don't know, should I paste the link here for access? There's somebody can help me
Yeah,
present the screen.
paste it. Let's see. Paste the link. Let me help you paste it. Um, but but sorry, the second person that his hand is raised up. Please, can you unmute us? So I don't mispronounce your name. Nancy, is your Figma file has open access?
Yes, for anyone with the link.
Okay, okay. I think it's opened. Alima, unmute us.
Ma, I want to ask a question, ma.
About the assignment.
Yes, yes.
Please hold on.
Regarding my group, we did the wrong mobile app. So I want to ask if we can create the responsive mobile app.
What group is that?
Group 8, group 8.
Okay, you guys are the ones that you are the one that created the mobile app from your website.
Yes, ma.
Okay, you can still do it.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Now, and the correction that you made, can we make necessary adjustments for it too?
Yes, you can still.
Okay, thank you.
So who just shared? Who said I should share my screen? Nancy, what
Yeah,
group are you in?
group 3.
All right, so you can see my screen, right?
Yes, that iPhone, that one you're on. Yes, exactly.
Okay, so let's see. Want to
Okay, please can you zoom into the screen? Okay, so from the header, we had a tab, an icon for menu that covers the store, contact, and FAQ that you put on the landing page for the desktop. So that was what was there. Then the name of the brand, Woody. Then by the right, we had for both profile and cart.
Okay.
Okay, so we so for every header there is a picture for it. Then we did exactly. So that is what we came up with.
Okay, this is good. This is good. All
Okay.
right. Let me see your this is onboarding, right?
Yes. The one with section. Okay, we
This one.
represented the one by the left. So this is what
Yeah,
we did.
this one.
Yes, so this is what we did. The one you start like, so it's more like a food app where you get introduced to, okay, it's a fast food with delivery, then you press next, then the second screen, then the third screen is more like get started.
Hmm? Where this one is leading to where?
Okay, the next one is leading to, sorry, it was supposed to be the third screen, but the design inspiration shows that the last screen was like in the middle, like up above.
But like even if you are following a design inspiration, you don't have to follow it
verbatim, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the mistake we did there was those three circles, those three dots. The third one was supposed to be the third design was supposed to be in the middle, not at the end. We tried to correct it before the system
And
went.
it's showing 3 circles, and we are only showing two.
Eh,
Only showing two onboarding.
Like it's more like, okay, the first screen is the first onboarding, then the third screen is supposed to be the second onboarding. Then after you press the next on the third screen, it's going to go to the. It's more like the arrangement made caused the confusion.
Okay,
Yeah,
I guess it's okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Alright. So yeah, the other person that wanted to share, what group was it even? Was it group 8 that was sharing and they couldn't zoom in? You can also paste your link. Group 6. Is group 6 reading?
Yes, ma.
Okay, please present. Let me stop presenting. If you want me to present your work for you, please paste it on the comment section.
Okay, ma.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm saying the other group. So group
Oh,
6.
okay.
Let's hear from you.
Okay. Is my screen showing? Sorry.
It's not showing yet.
Okay.
Do you have the link? Please post it on the group chat, on the message.
Okay, ma.
So I think we have group 4, group 5, group 6, group 10. I've not even heard anything from group 10. Or there are no group 10 members. Not even a single person.
Okay, ma. That's the link to the.
I can't access it. How can't I access it? Is this locked? Is it over screen locked? Sorry?
Let me see. No, it's. Let me check. Okay. I've unlocked it. Sorry.
Why? I don't know where you guys learned this margin from. Why is it so far? Why is it on 57?
No, ma. What happened was that our team leader shared the work we're supposed to do into two, and then the other group is supposed to do the final corrections. Her laptop is off, is dead, so I can only access the work we did before, so we can prove that we actually did something.
This thing just looks like a rough work. See, these buttons here are not even aligned. And see how tiny it is. and the spacing between this text and this section and this first section. See how tight it is. There is no white spacing. You see how this picture and this text are very close together.
Yes.
This design is not clean. Let's see your onboarding.
Okay.
Where is the onboarding?
This, I think I will just share. The onboarding is coming from her own I think I'll just paste the link to that one. She was supposed to do all this. I don't know. Okay. That's the link to the onboarding.
Yeah, it's open. Where is the onboarding? Where is the onboarding? What group is this?
This for group 6, ma.
Group 6, please you guys to go and redo the assignment. There's no onboarding here.
Okay,
Group
ma.
10. Let's hear from you. What's happening in that group? Bukola.
Okay, sorry, ma. Good evening, ma.
Yeah,
Yes,
good
ma.
evening.
So the people, yes, ma. Apparently, I'm the only one online. The people that are supposed to present. So it was the work was like shared. Some of us didn't have laptop to do it. Now the people that had laptop that worked on it in my group, they are not online.
Do
I'm
you
the
have
only
the
one
link?
online on the subject.
Do
Yes,
you
but
have
the
the
work is
link?
not finished. Yes, the link I have here is for the one that has not been completed.
So you guys didn't finish the work.
Yes,
Group
ma.
10.
Yes, ma.
So 2 weeks, as 2 weeks I gave you guys, and you guys could not finish. I said that I was meant to do for a week. So group 6 and group 10 didn't complete the assignment. Who is raising hands? I think we have even gotten to the our time. This is past 8:30. Was someone raising their hand? All right. So group 6, when you guys will do the assignments and complete it, add everybody in your group to the Figma file. Then tag me to it. For group 10, group 4 and group 5, what was the issue with group 4 and group 5 again? Laptop is dead. So there is no link for group 5. Nobody has the link for group 5.
Yeah, the link I have is on my laptop. It's as in I didn't use my phone for it at all. I used my laptop.
But you guys are done.
The last one, the second design, that's the one on the onboarding screen. I'm not sure about that.
They're not sure
I'm not
if you are
sure.
done. So I should be giving like a month for you guys to do assignments.
Oh no, ma. Even if possible tomorrow, I could get that submitted. I'm very sorry, ma. Because I couldn't. There's been issue of power supply. I don't know. They're very difficult trying to do. Even my phone is almost dead. I'm just trying to stay in the class.
All right, no problem. So like I said, you guys should just tag me to it because I don't know the light issues. I know it's a very big problem. So you guys should just tag me to it whenever you are completed the assignments. Just tag me to it. When are we to invite you to? When you have completed, please don't tag me when you've not completed the work. Tag me after you've completed every single thing. Then I'll just come and give a detailed feedback. So well done everybody on your good presentation. It started really very well. And kudos to the people that were able to contribute in their thing. Maybe for subsequent ones, I don't know, maybe it's just going to be tagging me because I don't know how this presentation is going to work out. But let's see how it goes. So for next week, we'll continue with our classes as usual on Wednesday. So I can't wait to see you guys again next week. Thank you very much for your class. You guys did amazing. You guys did amazing in your presentation. Okay, good night, everyone. Don't forget to tap when you are done, completely done. Thank you very much.